So hello and welcome back to my channel, and for all those who hasn't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe. Also make sure that your notification is turned to all, that way you receive all of my notifications, including my videos and my live streams. And again, don't forget to like up the video, please and thank you. So hello and welcome back to my channel, and in today's video what we're going to be going over is the steps that I take when it comes to installation and passing my inspection. Very important to remember the code rules that are laid out inside of the electrical code book. Obviously the code book that I work off of is the Ontario code book, so everyone's going to be different. So again, for all those who haven't subscribed to the channel, you can go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You can also make sure notification is turned to all. You can also like and share the video, and you can also leave a comment in the comment section, and I will catch you guys on the next video. So again, as you come in, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also, you can subscribe to the channel to stay up to date to the content. And again, what we have here is a 400 amp panel installation. And here we have a 400 amp disconnect required by code because of the length of the run, being the panel located more than 5 feet away from the meter base that's located on the outside of this exact wall. And what I'm doing here right now is I'm simply grounding off my tech cable grounding onto the ground bushing required by code in order to pass inspection to have your power turned on. So again, please sit back and enjoy the video, and I'll catch you guys during the video. Hello and welcome back, my viewers and subscribers. And in today's video, we're going to dive into the world of roughening and what it takes to pass inspection, and of course what it takes to prep my wires from injuries occurring to others. So in today's video, what you simply have is running boards that I will be placing in the attic, required by code. And the normal procedure is basically when you have wires running in the attic, you basically have to place a running board beside or over your wires to cover your wires, to hide them, or on the side of the running board, which is the 2x4. And as you can see right here, I'm placing my 2x4 I have running across is where I have my wires, and I'm simply going to be protecting them from being damaged from anyone else who decides to go into the attic to do any type of work after. So